IDTechEx show here with Cooper Gray Robotics LLC. So hello, so who are you?
Hi, I'm Paul Cooper with Cooper Gray Robotics. We're happy to be here at IDTech, and we've brought two of our robots here today. I call them robots because they are remote controlled vehicles. There are no operators that sit on board. The operator uses two joysticks to control our vehicles. We are developing our technology, which is, you're going to edit this. Our technology is the control architecture that drives the controls on board.
So let's walk around here. So you have a smaller one here, and it has, what's it called?
It has a plow blade on it.
So it's for plowing?
This little, we call this our little bot. This is a ground-up vehicle. It has sealed lead-acid batteries on board. It's all electric, remote control. This is used as a tug. It's also used to do plowing. We have a standard 2-inch tow hitch on the back where you can connect any number of appliances. We have here a 12,000-pound winch. So this is used to move other equipment around our yard. We have 24 robotic robots. They're all built on construction-based equipment. Sometimes they need to be pushed or towed to get them back into the construction bay for repairs.
And then right here, this is a big one.
This is a big one. It's called R.O.E.B.L. R.O.E.B.L stands for Remote Operated Electric Bucket Loader. This is a 1976 Mustang skid steer that we salvaged. We removed the diesel engine, the hydrostatic drive that used to move these wheels, and we installed all electric motors that drive the wheels. We have a 24 kilowatt hour sealed lead acid battery pack in here. And Cooper Gray's technology is hidden here under the lids, and our technology takes the input signals and tells this machine to go left, right, forward, back, and to raise and lower the boom. We also have a power takeoff in here where we can add other attachments such as an auger or a pile driver or a lawnmower that skid steers are famous for. And this again is all electric drive, but our control architecture can convert any machine that's out there, whether it's diesel, propane, and it doesn't matter on the size of the piece of equipment.
So is there any way you can do this autonomous, so you can have a whole bunch of them like
Yes.
digging at this autonomously?
That is our next generation of our control technology, is to add in a sensor suite, what we call increased smart or intelligence for these vehicles. Ultimately, they can be made autonomous. Our current technology will allow an operator to control multiples of these at the same time, and our control architecture sends information back to the operator. We can bolt on LiDAR, sonar, radar, and GPS with our technology. And any developed sensor technology in the future can also mate and bolt in with our technology.
So, is there any hydraulics involved? You need a lot of power and strength to lift stuff.
This machine started out with 70 gallons of hydraulic fluid on board. With the all-electric drive, we've now reduced that hydraulic reservoir to 5 gallons to currently operate the boom and the bucket. We do have designs to convert these to electric linear actuators to remove all the hydraulics. This was especially interesting to organic farmers, the organic grape growers out there. We have a kimchi company interested in our vehicle because they want a non-polluting vehicle to do harvesting and be a tug for their harvest bins.
So there's no pollution happening here? It's
No,
electric.
it's all electric, no exhaust, no smoke, all work.
And the full power that is needed for this kind of, it works?
Yes.
And how about the battery life? How far can it go? How much work can it do?
This current battery pack in here is a lead acid pack and will work about 4 hours before needing charging. Our next generation of lithium pack in here, we fully anticipate this to work for 8 hours. Typically, a skid steer like this on a construction site works for about 3 or 4 hours and does accessory and cleanup work to the larger excavation and dump truck equipment on a job
So do you
site.
have lots of orders? Do you have lots of people that
We have a
will
lot of
it?
interest, and yes, we have orders. If I can give them how much and when can I deliver. I'm currently standing here as a startup, and we're looking for that seed money to develop our production model version for the marketplace. This
So how
is
much
our
will it
working
cost?
prototype.
How much will the price be?
We expect this to be the same price as the existing skid steer, maybe a little less. This machine today is running about $65,000 to $75,000, and the operating costs of an all-electric model is about 1/10 of that of a diesel brother.
And have you been using it? What have you been doing with it?
We have been using this. I can show you several videos on our screen. We've used it for grubbing services. We've hauled soil and dirt. We've moved and spread gravel with it. We've baled water and a reservoir. We've built a dam with it to prevent flooding with this machine. And mostly moved a lot of dirt and gravel with it.